Hello, Android users. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to view your recently deleted apps on an Android device. Android allows you to uninstall apps easily, but what if you accidentally delete an app and want to retrieve it? Let's go through the steps to view your recently deleted apps and potentially restore them. Let's get started. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the Google Play Store to open the side menu. From the side menu, tap on My Apps and Games. This will take you to the Install tab, where you can see all your installed apps. Now, switch to the Library tab by tapping on it. The Library tab displays a list of all your apps, including the ones you have previously uninstalled. In the Library tab, scroll through the list to view your recently deleted apps. These apps will have an Install button next to them instead of the Open button, indicating that they are not currently installed on your device. If you want to restore a recently deleted app, simply tap on the Install button next to that app's name. The app will be downloaded and installed back on your Android device. There you have it. You've successfully learned how to view your recently deleted apps on Android using the Google Play Store.